It's recording, yeah, it is. Okay. Yep. It's recording. This is our 1974 Sandrail Volkswagen. What else is on it, honey?
It used to be a 1600 dual port regular Volkswagen. Now it's around 1830 with dual Webers. A little bit of high performance stuff on it.
Okay. Are you gonna show them what this baby can do?
Maybe. We'll see if it might not even start.
Better start. Okay. Oh, put the steering wheel back on.
Yeah, I'm too fat and old. I gotta take steering wheel.
Oh, it's kind of hard to chase them with this thing. Okay, he's coming back over here. Okay, he's coming back. Hey, that's what she can do. Goodness. Now we can't see anything. Alright. This thing is a lot of fun though. If anybody wants to have serious fun, that baby will do it.